So here is the first headpiece all done. So I'm gonna polish this all up, and then I gotta make the front, and we'll polish that up and see how it all goes together on the bike. But this came out pretty decent. Alright, so now I just hit that with some 400. It's getting closer. Just hand sanding it all down nice, and I'm gonna polish it next. I think it came out pretty decent. I'm trying not to get fingerprints all over it. Yeah, it's like you can see my reflection. So this came out really cool. That's the best I can do for now because I don't have the handlebars yet. Christmas and the storms and all the COVID crap. But anyways, that came out super nice. Super freaking nice. So there's my stem. Handlebars are coming. And we'll see how it all looks shortly. But hopefully in the next day or so here, the handlebars come. I ordered them from a bike shop out of Pennsylvania. So, alright.